In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove a zoom on your iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and if you are on a camera app and if camera app zoomed in a lot, there are actually several different ways how we can fix that. And I'm gonna show you all of them. The first way to zoom out is just pinch screen of your device in that way, and that will zoom out. In the same way, by pinching also you can zoom in. On an iPhone 15 Pro, we can zoom in up to 15 times. However, if you would like to zoom in another way, you can just tap right over here. If you are zoomed in a lot, you can just tap right here at that button which says 1. We can just tap on it to go to 1x zoom. And also, there is another way how we can remove a zoom, is just swipe up from here, just like that, and that will show you that tool, and then we can, using just one finger, zoom in or zoom out. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.